Greetings, future scholars of America. Mr. Barfield here with another grammar video. Feel free to pause, rewind, fast forward at any time to get the best notes possible. Today's topic, adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. That's important to recognize because that's the difference between an adjective and an adverb. An adjective answers the question, what kind, what color, what size, how many, which one. A comparative adjective compares two things, whereas a superlative adjective compares more than two things. For example, in the sentence, Reese's peanut butter cups are good, we could make that comparative by changing it to Reese's peanut butter cups are better than Snickers. We're comparing two different candies. Then we could change it again to Reese's peanut butter cups are the best candy. That compares more than two things. An article is a special subtype of adjective. There are three different articles, a, an, and the. Indefinite articles refer to one of a general group of things, whereas a definite article refers to a specific thing, like, give me a Reese's peanut butter cup. It could be any Reese's peanut butter cup. Whereas if I say, give me the Reese's peanut butter cup, that is referring to one specific Reese's peanut butter cup. Proper adjectives are adjectives formed from proper nouns, and they always begin with a capital letter. For example, let's look at the proper noun Italy. We can form a proper adjective by making it Italian, the Italian paintings. February and Seattle can both be proper nouns, but in this context, they are both describing a noun, so they are proper adjectives. Moving right along. Demonstrative adjectives point out something and describe nouns by answering the questions which one or which ones. If the word demonstrative looks familiar, it's because we've already talked about demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those are all demonstratives. They become demonstrative adjectives when they describe nouns, whereas demonstrative pronouns can stand on their own. This is my favorite book. This is the subject, whereas this book is my favorite. Book is the subject, and this merely describes book. See the difference? Write that chart in your notes. Avoid double negatives. Don't use two negative words in the same sentence. Correct this by changing one of the negative words to an affirmative word, like this. The clarinet isn't no new instrument. There's two negatives in there, not and no. Let's correct that by saying the clarinet isn't a new instrument, or the clarinet is no new instrument. Hey, here's a comic. Easter egg alert! What is Mr. Barfield's middle name? Until next time,